पीएम मोदी के तमिलनाडु दौरे पर बीजेपी नेता CR केसवन ने कहा कि वर्तमान में पीएम मोदी कन्याकुमारी में भारत माता के दिव्य चरणों में ध्यान और प्रार्थना कर रहे हैं। वह व्यक्तिगत मोक्ष के लिए प्रार्थना नहीं कर रहे हैं, बल्कि भारत के उत्थान के लिए प्रार्थना कर रहे हैं। विवेकानंद रॉक मेमोरियल राष्ट्रीय एकता और शाश्वत प्रेरणा का एक उत्कृष्ट प्रतीक है। यहीं पर स्वामी विवेकानंद ने कहा था कि उन्हें ज्ञान और मार्ग मिला। स्वामी विवेकानंद के जीवन और मिशन ने पीएम मोदी को प्रेरित किया। पिछले 10 वर्षों में आप इसका प्रभाव पीएम मोदी के कार्यों में देख सकते हैं। हमें यकीन है कि 4 जून को पीएम मोदी भारत का नेतृत्व करने के लिए अपनी यात्रा जारी रखेंगे। उन्होंने आगे क्या कुछ कहा, देखिए ये वीडियो।
As we speak, currently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji is meditating and praying at the divine feet of our Bharat Mata at Kanyakumari in the Vivekananda Rock Memorial. Modi ji is meditating and praying not for personal salvation. He is meditating and praying for the upliftment of Bharat. Vivekananda Rock Memorial is a sterling symbol of national unity and timeless inspiration. In the 1890s, Swami Vivekananda ji, after traveling around the country, was very distressed to see that Indians had degenerated into poverty and lacked self-confidence and their identity. Swami Vivekananda ji felt that the British rule was the reason for this, and also that Indians had lost their individuality and their dharma. Seeking answers, he came to the same rock and prayed for 3 days between December 25th to 27th in 1892. And then that was where he said he found enlightenment and the path. Vivekananda ji felt that India's spiritual potential could not only stir our masses out of this situation, but also would empower our youth to ensure the progress of human civilization. Narendra Modi ji not only shares a name, Narendra, which was also the name of Vivekananda ji. The life and mission of Vivekananda ji has inspired Modi ji. In the last 10 years, you could see the impact of that in Modi ji's actions. 2 things stand out: the role of the youth and the role of the nation as Vivekananda ji envisaged. If you see, Vivekananda ji had said the youth were a strong link between the glorious past and the grand future. Modi ji calls our youth the Amrit Pidi. And then for the Amrit Pidi, he has ensured, whether it's the Kaushal Vikas Yojana, Skill India, Startup India, Stand Up India, he has empowered our youth. And Modi ji knows that to realize a Viksit Bharat, the youth will be the driving energy force. And Vivekananda ji had said, one Asia should lead the world and provide solutions to the world for all the answers. We have seen under Modi ji's leadership, especially during the pandemic, how India realized that dream of Swami Vivekananda ji. We supplied vaccines to 150 nations, and you saw how we stood firm and led the world during the G20. Narendra Modi ji, following the footsteps of Swami Vivekananda ji to meditate, will be a milestone event in our history. And on June 1st, after he completes 45 hours of meditation, he'll come out with a renewed resolve and a renewed faith to serve the people of Bharat. And we are very sure on June 4th, with the blessings of Swami Vivekananda and the blessings of the people of Bharat, he will continue his historic journey to lead Bharat in the Kartavya Kal to become a Viksit Bharat and also a Vishwa Bandhu who will guide